What's up, guys? Today we are doing some Madden Monday, and we are going to be doing a rebuild of the Cleveland Browns, correct?
Yeah, we're doing a rebuild of the Cleveland Browns. This should be really fun to do.
Yep.
They suck, so we're gonna
Yep.
try to rebuild them and make them Super Bowl champions.
Coach or owner? Coach or owner?
We'll do owner.
Owner.
Yeah, we can have full control.
Alrighty. Name.
We can call ourselves. Let's call ourselves. Oh, Big. All right, there you go.
That's it.
Big Junkie. We're gonna call ourselves Big Junkie. That's gonna be our coach name, yeah.
Alrighty.
League settings, all Madden, obviously.
Madden, simulation. I guess we can use multimeter. 6-minute quarters.
6-minute quarters. Auto progress talents on and auto progress players on as well. Tutorial process off.
Obviously. Trade type normal.
Yeah, normal.
Enable ultra deadline. Okay. Pre-existing injury off. I don't want no one already injured before it starts. Doesn't matter. We ain't a coach anyway. And that's it, I think.
That's all the settings we got for today. So.
Yep. All right. Here we go. What we're gonna be doing is he plays a half, then I play a half.
Yeah. That's what we're gonna be doing. Choose a draft class.
Obviously, we want to do import.
Yeah, import the 2025.
There we go. All right.
There we go. There.
Now we are ready to play Week 1 against the Dallas Cowboys.
Week 1.
Damn, our team already. Okay.
For real.
You're gonna be playing first.
All right. Oh wait, we're playing. My bad. I usually do offense only, but we're playing a full game here.
Full game now. Gonna rebuild this team.
It's week 1 of the 2024 season, and it's presented by EA Sports. It's the Cowboys and the Browns.
Now it's gonna take some time before we win the Super Bowl. We're not gonna win the Super Bowl year 1. Cleveland sucks.
Yeah, that's true.
So just bear with us.
That's true. There we go. We get first. Hey.
Ball first.
Yep.
Takes it out the backfield or runs it out. Ooh. Forward. It's tackled.
36.
Like my commentary there.
Yep. Great commentary.
Good commentary.
Really good. You got it. It's Nick Chubb.
Takes a snap. Nick Chubb running up the field and gets tackled for a 1-yard gain.
Tight end got a superstar.
There you go. This is again with Chubb. Chubb. Ooh, look at Chubb. Look at the moves Chubb's got.
Holding. That's coming back.
Crap. That's okay. Instant. Takes a snap. Throws it.
It's hot.
Elijah Moore. There we go. There we go. Gets a snap. Throws.
Jerry Jeudy.
Catch by Jerry Jeudy. There we go. Starting off pretty good. Pretty good.
Yep, first down.
That play gains 15 and it moves the sticks. First and 10, ball set up at the 48.
It's Jamal Chubb again. Ooh,
Ooh.
breaking tackles.
Oh,
This down at the 41.
can I have like 7?
7 yards, and now they'll have second down and 3.
Yeah, let's get him at 7. Runs it again with Chubb. Chubb. Ooh, just not get that first down.
Not much doing.
2 yards.
Third down, 1 yard to go.
Runs it again with Chubb. Oh, and he gets stuffed in the backfield.
Stuffed.
You won't salvage that. It's a loss on the
They want me to
They
go
want
for
you to
it.
go for it.
So I'm going to go for it.
These kids, I love to study the body.
Yeah, you're like right outside of kicking zone.
Getting stuffed inside on a run like that.
Uh,
More importantly,
let's go for it.
energize that defense.
What a catch.
Tillman.
Cedric Tillman with the catch.
23 yards and a first.
Doing pretty good on this first drive.
Set up now for first and 10. Here's Chubb up the middle. And the power play up the gun only results in 2 yards.
Hey, that's a run that's ho hum on the stat sheet, but if you see a bigger play on the ground later on,
Here we go. Jameis Winston
a play just like that one, softening up the front and opening
takes the snap.
a bigger gap in the future.
Oh man, try to find Judy, but
Got it away
pressure.
before the hit, but the pass winds up incomplete. It's going to be third
Here
down.
we go. Oh, this should be a touchdown.
Blitz. Fourth and 35 yarder.
Yeah, 35 yards.
He's going to try this Browns field goal.
It's up and
It's
good.
good.
So we're up 3-0 with a minute left in the first quarter.
Yep.
I never saw a play script that ended with a field goal. It was always a touchdown that you wanted. That's 3 points, and it's enough to give them the lead.
Here's Cavante Turpin on the return. Coverage team gets him down at the 26-yard line.
Of course, they got Rain Dakota Prescott over there.
Their opening drive.
Hopefully he doesn't torch us today.
Coming off one of his best seasons
The
as a
CD Lamb.
finish in year
Better box him up.
Dak Prescott.
You already know you're going to be throwing CD Lamb.
On my face, I know he has a smile on his face. as he
Told you right away. CD Lamb
Of course he's
already.
gonna go to CD Lamb right away.
It's only first seeing him
The best player. They don't got really anyone else that good. Not even a good running back.
legit contender into the postseason.
Another pass. Rip.
How you start can have a massive impact on how things play out.
Dang.
CD Lamb again.
Somebody's gotta cover that.
And that's
For
good
real.
yardage with a new set
He's
of
double covered. That's the only good guy they got.
It's up now for a first and 10. First down, here's Dak.
Oh, I sent the pressure and he didn't throw that.
Yep.
So after the incompletion, here comes the second down call.
First run of the game.
There we
Waddle.
go.
Yep.
Alright, 37.
7. Lock it up.
Gotta lock this up right here. Watch Brandon Cooks.
Yep. Lock that up.
Dak now from the gun.
He's open. Oh, he didn't throw it though.
Oh, he didn't throw it and he
He didn't throw it.
sacked.
He was open.
He
What a
was.
sack.
So that's how our first half's gonna end. A momentum built.
Now we get the ball back.
Second quarter. 3-0.
Cowboys butting it away here on fourth, and it's the long-time vet Brian Anger on now. Tried getting creative, but the coverage
I
team
saw
read
it.
it all the way. This one's gonna lose his yards. They're out and set, first and 10. Second drive coming up for this Cleveland offense.
Going Nick Chubb.
Begin the drive.
Nick Chubb breaking tackles again.
He found some running room for a
Let's
nice
go.
gain.
8 yards.
Pickup of 8 on the run, and that sets up second and 2. Begin inside the jump. And he's dropped just short of the mark.
Third and 1.
Away.
Third and one.
Third and a lone yard coming up.
It's at the game with Chubb.
Big Chubb.
Nicholas Jamal Chubb.
And that's good yardage there.
8 yard, 8 carries, 30 yards.
When you're around, get a little leverage. No man wins off the line, and that's all that was needed to ensure that first down right
There you
there.
go. Oh, that's. Oh, I thought that was gonna be a pick.
The ground out left, incomplete.
I mean, you can see it right there. The trajectory. The ball
Remember to subscribe and like the video if y'all want more daily content.
Of
We're gonna be
course.
doing Madden Monday every single week, and then we have our Fun Friday
On Friday too.
Fridays.
First and 10, ball set up at the 48. Winston looking to throw.
Up through a pick.
Someone stepped in. It's intercepted.
Nice hit. I'm surprised you have not got stacked yet by Michael Parsons.
For real, Michael Parsons getting locked down.
Thanks.
There are so many defenders that can get into those zones. Might be a case of the QB there trying to do
Rico,
too much.
there it is.
Certainly didn't see the defender who comes up with a big interception.
They'll come to the line here. Second and 9.
Also, comment your Super Bowl predictions in the comment section below. Who you think will win the Super Bowl in real life? My opinion, I think it will be Buffalo Bills.
Carried by Brandon Cooks.
Apparently, he doesn't agree with me.
I actually think the Baltimore Ravens.
You think the Baltimore Ravens will win the Super Bowl?
Good running back, good quarterback, one good receiver, at least Zay Flowers.
They got a running back as a quarterback.
It's a pickup of 11. That's good for a Cowboys first down. Here's the handoff.
Rico running again. Oof.
And he'll be met near the lines. Limit the gain to a yard. Greg Newsome bringing that play to an end.
Also going to be doing basketball videos too on the channel very, very soon. So make sure you tune in for that. Of course, the NBA Finals is going on right now. But we're going to wait till the NBA Finals is done. And, we're going to wait till the next season starts before we start uploading basketball videos. So we'll be talking about the NBA draft coming up. And oh my
He's got
goodness.
torched. Got a minute and 53 to go back and score.
The Cowboys get some late points and the lead.
Can't expect to
How do you
win.
leave somebody that wide open?
I don't know.
Take a 4-point lead. Operating out to kick this one
This
away.
team's gonna have a lot of offense rebuilding to do.
Oh yeah.
Here's Ford on the return. And this drive will start inside the 25. Well, we've already seen some nice
Here we go.
plays here, and we're going to see plenty more before this game
Just
ends.
also let us know what y'all want us to talk about. We can do anything sports related. As we can do baseball if y'all want us to do baseball.
Yep.
Just what you're thinking. Give them a call. 1-844-MADDEN-1 and make your case for who should get boost. Play action on first down. He's going deep.
Najoku.
Oh,
Najoku.
Najoku at the one.
Najoku with the
Oh.
snag. Now this is Naheem Hines, I believe this is.
Yep.
And he runs it in for a touchdown.
Let's
And
go.
we're up 9-0. About to make it 10-0.
Points and the lead.
That would suck if I would have missed that.
That would have.
Hopkins knocks the extra point through.
39 seconds. I have to stop them.
Lead to 3.
Don't let them get in field goal range and get anything.
The Browns have it on the team, and they will kick it away here.
Alright, here we go.
In with a return.
Cavante Turpin taking it out, and he goes to the 20-yard line. 36 seconds left,
Yeah.
and we'll see
Starts out with a first and 10.
if they can score here. Hopefully not.
Take it over on offense. Not much time left before halftime.
Oh!
Keep him in. Ah, you took him out of
Should
bounds.
have kept him in, yeah.
Trying to get a field goal here before the break. Slated downs to approach here from the 40.
Still got 3 timeouts.
First and 10. Prescott.
But, oh my goodness.
You're gonna have 23 seconds to try to get in field goal range at least.
Touchdown.
Well, I'm trying to do that.
Boys take the lead.
You got all 3 timeouts.
Aubrey good on the point after. And the Cowboys take a 4-point lead.
Dang it. Alright, so we got 23 seconds left, 14-10. Try to see what I can do on this kickoff return.
Here's Ford on the return.
Alright, we got 19
Gets to the
seconds.
30 before he stopped. The Browns taking the field with barely any time left in this opening half.
Put more on a streak there.
And the clock again.
Put more on a streak.
Probably not gonna see
He's on Trayvon Diggs. I knew that was coming. Trayvon Diggs is
Well,
just...
they only got 13 seconds, so.
Yeah, they'll probably just need... Oh. The run play?
I don't know what they're doing.
Oh, they're gonna try to get something, make something happen. He's locked down.
Oh, what a hit.
They called a timeout. They're gonna do a Hail Mary.
Alright, we gotta send everybody
Yep,
back.
Hail Mary. It has to be.
Send everybody back. And that's incomplete. And we're into the third quarter.
It is my turn.
Alright, make sure you don't lose this game for us.
Try not to.
What a hit
Stick
stick.
hit him. Let's go.
And a fumble. And we got the ball in the red zone.
Oh my, I cannot mess this up. We need a touchdown after that.
There's the ball with Chubb. Chubb.
Don't even get
We don't
one
lose
yard.
yards.
He gets nothing.
How do y'all feel about Nick Chubb signing with the Houston Texans in real life? I think that was a pretty interesting move for the Texans.
Well, I guess the interception didn't matter, or the fumble didn't matter.
Well, it's okay though.
Alright.
Where's it? Call Ferguson.
One thing I don't like is sometimes when you try to hit stick somebody, they just bounce off of them. It's hard to stick hit.
Throws it and
Broke
bat
it
it
up.
down. We gotta make a stop here. Prescott takes the snap. And he's gonna get sacked, and there's gonna be a fumble, and he's gonna pick it up.
Pick it up! At first I didn't think he was gonna get it.
That would have been bad if he didn't get it.
That would have been bad. We got the ball right back. Another fumble.
There we go.
We are just going back and forth.
There's a ball with Chubb. Doesn't really get much.
Chubb gets 1 yard on the run.
Ooh, he's gonna throw it, and it's gonna be caught by Judy.
Jerry Judy with the catch.
It's gotta be a touchdown right here. Come on.
I didn't mean to do that. Wait.
It's gonna be pass interference, but it's
Wait,
a
pass
touchdown.
interference? Oh,
Shut up. Pass interference.
I hope so.
Yeah, show.
Yeah, they just said it should stand.
There you go.
Yep.
Touchdown.
Decline that. Decline that. Decline that for a touchdown.
We are up 17-14, up by 3 points. Doing pretty good so far. It's supposed to be rebuild, and we're winning right now.
Barely. Just our defense is doing pretty good. I got 2 fumbles. That's a heck of a kick.
What a kick there. It's gonna be muted.
I mean, we got just the offense really got to worry about. Our defense is doing pretty good. We got in the red zone twice right there. And fumbles.
Alright, Dak's gonna take the snap. Dak looks, he throws, and it's gonna be caught by
he's gonna try to get
CD
in front of it.
Lamb.
CD Lamb.
Running with Rico Dowd.
Stop
Doesn't
them.
do much. Yeah, it's gonna be a stop right here.
They gonna run or they gonna pass? I can't tell.
I don't know. Let's see.
I can't tell. Blitzing though.
Blitz. And oh, he caught it. And Ferguson up the field.
I tried to
Thought she would have
blitz.
picked that.
I was hoping to.
That's good for a Cowboys first down.
And when Madden 26 comes out, we will be getting Madden 26. It's what a ooh.
As soon as it come out, I'm getting it, and I'm getting the 3-day. I'm pre-ordering it for the 3 days early access.
Yeah, we're gonna come out with a review and everything like that. So make sure you tune in for that. Runs with Rico and Rico. Doesn't do much. Gets a couple.
5 yards.
That tackle to Michael Hall. Everyone's prepped. It's second down now. Back-to-back carries here.
Got the first.
Down here at the 23-yard line.
First down for the Cowboys.
On that play.
51 seconds left in the third quarter.
Yeah.
We gotta hold him right now.
Trying to throw here out of the gun.
He throws it, and it's gonna be picked.
Picked off.
Denzel Ward with the pick.
Ward.
I
I'ma
would
just
have ran that
trust
out,
running
but
out.
he's gonna run it out, and he gets.
I would have went to the 20. I got 5 extra yards running that out.
There you go. Denzel Ward with the pick.
Let's go.
James Winston takes a snap, and he's going to throw it, and it's going to be caught by Elijah Moore.
Elijah Moore.
It's going to be the last play of the third quarter as we are going into the fourth quarter, up by 3.
Man, anyone's game right now.
Who set it down for him at the 38? Joe here on first down.
Drew Cooper there.
Chubb. Yep.
Second and 7.
Gets him 3.
That's the kind of run play that feels like tug of war at field day. And you're just not moving the other side. Just a short run. Neither side feels particularly good about it. And we'll move to the
Ooh,
next.
throw it away. There you go.
Yep. Michael Parsons was all over me.
Look at how well the coverage held up on that play. Even as a QB escapes the pocket and buys extra time secondary,
There you go.
they got real sticky. Stay
James
tight,
takes a
force
snap.
the throwaway.
He's in the blitz. Oh, Michael Parsons coming in there.
Parsons all over me. Gonna punt it away.
This is punted away. Officials stepping in. Looks like a timeout was called by the
That is
receiving
a
team.
booming kick,
That is a heck of it. I did not think it would go that far.
but it goes into the end zone.
This one did hit at the 8, but took a big bounce and finished its journey in the end zone for a touchback. Offense headed back
There
out
we go.
there
Dak
now,
Prescott
and they're coming off a third interception throw, Brock.
takes the
Now,
snap.
this one cost
Dak
them what
Prescott.
looked to be a very good drive.
Little screen.
Screen pass
Right
there.
at breaking point when it comes to this passing game. The turnovers have just been a consistent problem. And that last one really stings because it kept points off the board.
Looking for the
There we go.
pistol.
Takes the snap, and he's gonna throw it, and it's gonna be caught by who is it?
Brandon Cooks.
Alright, 3rd and 7 now.
After a solid game. Let's see what they
Running low, gonna pass him. I guess pass.
Prescott here from the gun.
He's trying to launch it.
He's going
that's,
deep.
That's gonna be picked. That's
It
gonna
has
be
to
picked.
be.
It's
Yeah,
picked by
it's
Greg
picked off.
Newsome. Greg Newsome with the pick is taking it out.
I didn't know there was somebody over there. Nice.
What a pick there.
Another pick.
Section of our season.
I don't know why he threw that up to double coverage.
He's put his defense in a tough spot.
What a silly throw from Dak.
For real.
You know, with these interceptions and now the second on the day, you're asking
Just
your
gotta run that
defense
clock
again
out.
to step up to
Yep, gotta run it
another
all out.
series, another possession, another challenge. This quarterback's got
2 yards.
2 on the pickup there, and it's going to be 2nd and 8.
2nd and 8. Gonna run the ball with Chubb and Sam.
Lose 2 yards. Gain 2, then lose 2.
Yeah, lose 2 yards there.
3rd and 10.
See if I can get me.
What do you got cooking up here? James
Hopefully I got
Winston.
something. Oh, I'm getting blitzed.
Oh, what a throw!
I got
Cedric Tillman again.
Let's go. They were
First and
blitzing
10.
in on me.
Until he's got a huge gain and a
What a
first down.
pass.
Let's go. What a pass indeed.
Nick Chubb again.
Chubb.
There's a sign of life from the ground game.
2nd and 3 now. 3 minutes left.
It's a solid
3
7-yard
minutes.
pickup on first down. Now they're going to have 2nd and 3.
Play action. He's going to throw it, and it's going to be caught by Elijah Moore, and it's going to be a touchdown. 23-14.
Oh my. I think I just missed.
That is a miss.
I'm not used to the
That is a
meter.
miss.
I'm not used to that meter.
If you think he sucks at kicking, put the laughing emojis in the comment section.
What do you mean? Look at that kick. All the way right there, right before he can knee it in. Ooh, am I better at defense? Let me know down below. 2 picks, 2 fumbles.
Yeah.
Hey, I never miss kicks. I'm used to using the classic meter, but we're doing the new meter. I usually use the classic meter. I'm just used to it.
Oh shoot.
That's
That's gonna be
another-
picked again. CD Lamb.
CeeDee Lamb just lost him.
He lost him. Alright, here we
Oh, they're
go.
going quick. They're gonna hurry up offense.
And Prescott takes a snap and he's going to throw it. CeeDee
Wide
Lamb
open
out of
CeeDee
bounds.
Lamb.
Dak Prescott 262 yards passing, 2 touchdowns.
Yeah,
Pretty good day.
gotta try to lock him up here.
What was it? Screen pass and Rico Dowell.
Breaking tackles. 2-minute warning.
It's 2-minute warning now.
I'm up by 2 scores.
Just gonna throw it and it's going to be incomplete.
Oh, incomplete.
Alright, here we go. 3rd and 7 now. Dak Prescott takes a snap. He's going to throw it, and it's no, he's just gonna throw it out of bounds. 4th and 7. Here we go.
They're gonna kick a field goal.
Oh yeah, because they'll be down by
Yeah.
7 or 6. It's a smart here.
There.
And they make it, and you would expect them to go for the onside kick now.
Oh
Trying
yeah,
to
they
get
are
this
going to
ball
be.
back.
Wait, are they?
Oh wait, they
Oh.
yeah, they still got 3 timeouts, so probably not.
Yeah.
Here we go, Naeem Hines runs it back.
Oh, I tried to hand it to him. Have you ever done one of those trick plays before?
Yeah.
It's hard to hand it to him. I don't really know how to. I'll go up to him clicking R1, but or L1, whatever it said, but it's not hard.
Running with Nick Chubb and
Stay in bounds, and I ran out.
2nd and 9. Trying to get a couple first downs.
Yeah.
And he gets
He
stopped up.
blitzed me. I need a first down. They want me to run the ball. Should I do a jet sweep or change it to maybe like some slants?
Slant.
That's what I was thinking. Change it to like a slant or something.
Jerry Judy right there. I think he's gonna be open.
They put him on a streak to run a guy back. He just blitzed me.
And Micah Parsons gets the sack.
I'm about to really lock up on defense. 'Cause if they get a touchdown, I'll be down by 1.
It's gonna be a booming kick here, and it is. The kick.
Try to make him fumble here.
Ooh, stick hit him.
Stick at him.
126 remaining. You gotta lock up on defense.
I gotta lock up.
What a game this is. And that's Jake. That doesn't help Jake Ferguson with the catch.
Keep him in bounds. Run that time. They only got 1 timeout.
An interception ends it. Come on.
Stay in bounds.
Stand.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he does.
Stayed in.
52 seconds. And Jake
Drop it.
Ferguson with
Stayed in
the
bounds
catch.
again. Caught a timeout. That's it. That's the last timeout.
They don't got no more timeouts.
Nope. I'm nervous here.
He's gonna try to
Throw it out.
Yeah, throw it out of bounds. 2nd and 10.
This is anyone's game. If I wouldn't have missed that extra point,
Oh yeah, that extra point may come into play here.
Yeah, it might.
We go, oh shit, Dak Prescott. He could have just ran up the middle.
He could have. He could have. I don't know why he stopped.
11 seconds. This is
The
the
last
play of
play.
the game.
Last play of the game, unless they throw it out or something.
He's
It has to
going
go
throw
in.
it, and
He got one more play.
4th and 10.
It has to be in the end zone.
Yeah, it has to be in the end zone.
We gotta go deep here. It has to be in the end zone. The last play, that 1 point might come into play.
Here we go.
I'm locking up CD. Yep.
And it's going to be picked, and it's going to be the end of the game.
The end.
We pick
of
up the win.
Game.
First game of the year. We get the dub.
Yep. Got that.
It's supposed to be a rebuild, but we got the dub here.
Surprisingly, our defense really did a lot. 2 picks, 2 fumbles.
Yeah, let's look at the stat
Locked
lines.
up.
Let's look player stats. Alright.
Player stats.
Let's go to
Passing. 230, 228,
2 touchdowns.
2 touchdowns.
3 picks, though.
3 picks.
Nick Chubb only had 38 yards on the ground.
Not
Receiving.
too much. Receiving.
Elijah
4
Moore,
for
74.
3 for 76. 3 for 29. 1 for 49. That was your long pass.
That was my long, yeah.
Yep.
Defensive, Greg Newsome had a great game. 6 tackles, 1 pick. Miles Garrett
Just
had
got
a
a
pretty
pick.
good game. Thornhill had a pick as well, so did pretty good.
Pretty good on first game.
Yeah.
And then either Friday or Monday will be the next one. Probably Friday.
Friday we'll do some more Madden on Friday. We're gonna call it Fun Friday. This week we're gonna do Madden Monday, but let us know what y'all want us to do for Fun Friday each and every week. And next game we got the Jacksonville Jaguars.
And they are 0-1.
Yeah, so let us know what y'all think about it in the comment section below.
Yep, and that's it. We'll see y'all in the next video.